introduce yourself, buddy, and I'll tell them who I am.
I am Ed Jenkins. This is my third time being on the show.
Ed Jenkins, nice to see you, buddy. Nice to see you, buddy. Yeah, my name's J-Rock. J-Rock Jenkins. What we got here is a new show hosted and by us. This is a Dick Jenkins production. That's why we're using his microphones there. Dick Jenkins Show. That is our sponsor today, Dick Jenkins Show. You see, you got Dick Jenkins merchandise as well. So for P1 here, we're in P1 here, buddy. Part 1, P1. Communication's got to be a factor here, buddy. So P1, here's what we're going to do. We're going to talk about our show is called what is it? Businessmen on Film.
Hey, I've got an important phone call. I need to take this real quick.
Who could that be, buddy? I'm here with you, and I'm the most important call you get all day.
I am. Yeah, hang on just a second. I'm currently talking to a.
What's his name?
His name is Dick Peter.
Stiffy Peter? You talking to Stiffy Peter?
Hi, Dick. Hello, Peter.
Stiffy Peter, man, you know, that's a great guy, guys. If you knew who we were talking about, this guy. Okay, pardon me. But anyway, the show is called Businessmen on Film, and we're going to start with here with P1 or Part 1 here. Are you good?
Yeah.
Good?
Sorry about that. Very important phone call that I had to take.
Yeah, I understand.
Very important phone call.
I understand, buddy. I understand completely. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive right into this first flick here, buddy. And we're going to talk about P1 here. P1,
The Avengers.
P1, The Avengers.
The Avengers.
Great film, buddy. Great film.
What did you think about The Avengers?
You know, lots of communication involved with that, making that film. You can tell there's a lot of productivity there, buddy. Productivity involved with that.
I think we've got a clip.
Okay, let's look at this great clip here. Clip for P1 here.
Good call, Iron Man. Look at the size of that dildo. Captain America, attack!
Okay, yeah, we're back. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Okay, hold the phone down, buddy. My phone's going off here.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Let me get this flipped around here. See who this is. These glasses are horrible. Oh shit. Get this fixed up here, buddy. Okay, I'm having problems seeing here, buddy. Give me a second. Pardon me. Hold on, just 1 second. I bet you Dick Jenkins is proud of this show. I'm telling you what. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's me. Hi, J-Rock.
Hi, J-Rod.
J-Rock, hey, buddy, how are you?
It's been 5 minutes. I'm just checking in with you.
5 minutes, that's what I'm talking about, buddy.
Checking in with you.
That's what I call
Everything's
clear and concise execution.
Okay.
That's execution.
I'm here for you.
Execution is there, buddy. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta do this show,
back
man.
to the show.
Back to the show, okay. Pardon me. Okay, we're going in there. Okay. All right, now, back to the show here. The Avengers, great movie. What else we gotta talk about, buddy?
What else we have?
You don't talk much, buddy. Come on. Where you at here? Your communication level is slacking now. I mean, if we need to have a conversation about this, we can. I can either call you on your cell phone, set up a meeting or a planner for me, and we can have this talk, buddy. How you want to do it?
What are you trying to say?
Well, I'm just trying to say that, you know, maybe your communication level is just not up to par there, buddy.
I'm sorry.
Now, okay, now we're talking, buddy. Now we're talking, buddy. Okay. Hold on. Talk to it. Yeah, talk to the microphone, buddy. Yeah, tell it what's going on, buddy. Tell it sorry about that, buddy. I should have warned you. That shit just sneaks up on you, don't it, buddy?
Right on me.
That shit sneaks right up on you, buddy.
Are we good, boss?
Yeah, what we talking? Yeah, I'm great. How are you feeling? I bet your knees are a little sore. Oh, these glasses, these fucking glasses are driving me crazy, man. I can't see shit, and they're just not staying on my ears.
So this phone here guy's telling us that we need to wrap it up.
Oh, now, come on, man. I was told that we had all the time to talk. We got to do one movie. I mean, really, one movie. Well, we'd like to thank you for the inaugural episode, buddy, of Businessmen on Film. I can see that you enjoyed it by what you're wiping off your lip there, buddy. So, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you very much. No. Let's end this by a repeat performance. Can you come back?
I can do that.
I mean, I'm all night.